are two inclined surfaces of equal length L and same angle of inclination 45 degree with the horizontal. One of them is rough and the other is perfectly smooth. A given body takes two times as much time to slide down on rough surface than on the smooth surface. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the object and the rough surface is close to. So बच्चों, this is the question of motion in an inclined plane. You can see the figure. First figure there is a representation of the smooth surface, and in the second figure there is a rough surface. Now what happens? Here there is a block of mass m slides down on this inclined plane. First on the smooth surface and then on the rough surface. लेकिन रफ सरफेस में स्मूथ सरफेस से 2 टाइम्स ज़्यादा वक्त लगता है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ काइनेटिक फ्रिक्शन फॉर द रफ सरफेस. सो बच्चों, लेट मी बिगिन टू सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट मी राइट डाउन फॉर द स्मूथ सरफेस. तो फिर स्मूथ सरफेस के लिए क्या लिख सकते हैं? फॉर द स्मूथ सरफेस, how much distance covered? Suppose let me write distance covered x1 is equal to x. In how much time? So time, let me assume that time t1 is equal to t. और बच्चों यहाँ पे एक्सेलरेशन हो जाएगा a1 is equal to g sin theta on this smooth surface. Now same way let me write for the rough surface. तो फिर rough surface के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? So as I am gonna write for the rough surface, once again, how much distance is covered? So for the distance covered, we are gonna write x2 is equal to x. लेकिन time कितना है? So they have given us time is the twice. So t2 is equal to 2t. और फिर acceleration कितना हो जाएगा? Then acceleration on a rough surface means on a rough inclined plane, a2 is equal to g sin theta minus mu cos theta. Now बच्चों, in this both the case distances are the same, so we can compare the distances, and as we can compare the distances, I may write now x1 is equal to x2. Let me use the kinematics equation only. Then x1 means u1 t1 plus half a1 t1 square, and x2 means u2 t2 plus half a2 t2 square. Now बच्चों, both the cases initial speed is 0, so we may write half a1 t1 square is equal to half a2 t2 square. Now both the side half will be cancelled out. Now let me put the data. So a1 t1 time interval for the smooth surface means t square is equal to a2 t2 time interval for the rough surface यानी कि 2t, and square of the 2t means 4t square. Now both the side t square is a cancel out, so we got our answer a1 is equal to 4a2. बच्चों, we can make general formula out of this. If suppose t1 is t and t2 time interval is n time of the t, then we can write acceleration on the smooth surface is a n square time greater than the acceleration on the rough surface. This we can use directly. Now बच्चों, let me put the data and let me conclude this question. So a1 means g sin theta, a2 is equal to g sin theta minus mu cos theta multiplied by 4. Now both the side g is cancel out, and as I will open the bracket with the 4, then sin theta is equal to 4 sin theta minus 4 mu cos theta. So as I will simplify, 4 mu cos theta is equal to 4 sin theta minus sin theta means 3 sin theta. So we may write mu is equal to 3 by 4 sine theta upon cos theta. Now sine theta upon cos theta, that is known as tan theta. So we may write mu is equal to 3 by 4 tan theta. But bachcho, here they have given theta angle as a 45. So mu is equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by tan 45. Tan 45 is 1 and 3 by 4 into 1 means answer will become 0.75. So we will get answer as mu is equal to 0.75 and the correct option is option number D, mu is equal to 0.75. Clear बच्चों?